This is for Jane Doe in the UK. Pretty bizarre, isn't it? See the spacing on the lights on the left? And then the spacing, it looks like gills on a fish or something. I don't know what it looks like. It's pretty wild looking though. Moisture and energy. Reflections. It's really cool. I like taping the things that are very unusual. And this I'd say is unusual. I'm not the creator of this, I'm just the taper of it. It's kind of fun to watch. It's just natural to whatever's in the air and whatever the moisture, how it interacts with it, and the electricity from the lights, or the energy from the lights. It's cool. Now it'll all go back into the lights. On the left, just watch. Seems to, anyways.